Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Nkoye, aka Ndi Ja. Hey, I have a box. I'd like to start this video by saying this might be my first clickbait video. Original clickbait. Yes, be prepared. Be prepared. So, I have a Powersheets box with me, and I would like you to join me as we see what's in. It's launch day. Well, it's a day after launch day. But what did I get for launch day? I know you're so eager to find out. So let's find out. As anticipation builds. Anticipation? Anticipation. The word is anticipation. Ta-da! This is the first that I got. That's the first thing I got. And this is the second thing I got. Okay. This is half a mid-month Powersheets update for the month of October, and half what I actually did not get from the Cultivate What Matters launch for the 2020 Powersheets. These are both of my old Powersheets. This is the first one I got. This was 2018. I followed along with them in 2017 or 2016 when I found them on Instagram, and I just said I'm going to take some time, and I took a long time until I got into Powersheets. So, given that, this particular journey that I'm going to be on in the year 2020, I've waffled a little bit. If you watched my, was it August or September Powersheets? I wasn't sure if I was going to continue with Powersheets, right? And it was later that I realized why. So, I have a few goals for 2020. They are mostly financial, and as of right now, I just don't feel it in my spirit that it's the best thing for me to, at least for 2020, to invest in the Powersheets. I have 2 years of Powersheets, and I have several months in these Powersheets that are still unused. Now, given that I'm on a financial freedom journey, it would make sense to actually use the old things that I have that are still, or that are yet unused, and try and make them work for the year 2020. So that's what I'm doing. Right now I'm turning in the 2018 Powersheets to see the months that I had blank, and I believe that started in, okay, my April tending sheet was mostly blank. There were 2 lines on it. In May, either the May or June is gone because I put that in my Erin Condren binder when I was setting up the binder. I wanted to see if I could use that as a landing spot. And I've decided that I'm going to essentially have a deluxe monthly planner and use my old Powersheets and whatever goal planners that I come in contact with. Now, so June is still unused. July was unused. Yes, August should have been unused as well. And I came back to it. This is in 2018. And I came back to it in September. So I came back to it in September. So I have a couple months unused there. I also have 1 or 2 months unused in the 2019 Powersheets. So basically I had 1 month unused in my 2019 Powersheets, and I'm going to use it for the rest of the year. But because of the type of goals that I have, the specificity of those particular goals, and the range of those goals, I'm going to be using a couple of things that I already have. I have this Erin Condren goal planner, the goal setting journal. It says, hold the vision, trust the process. A goal without a plan is just a wish. I don't recall seeing a lot of reviews on people actually using these, so this will give me an opportunity to do that. I already have it. I didn't feel the release to do a giveaway with this. My giveaway, I have a big giveaway coming up, but there's some other things that are going to be in that giveaway. So I'm going to use this. It, after reading through it, it actually is quite on brand for the things that I need to get done. It has 6 goals, and you break down the steps, and they have these goal check-in pages, and you have 6 of these goal check-in pages. No, 7. Hold on one second. 1, 2, 3, 4. Start from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4. So they have 4 goal check-ins on each goal, and they have 6 goals. You could choose to use that as 6 months. You could choose to use it as 6 goals. I'm using it as 6 goals. I'm not using it in terms of months because I'll be using my deluxe monthly planner in conjunction with this. So I have this. It's the goal setting journal. I already have the finance Powersheets companion goal guide from Cultivate What Matters. I didn't use it this year. I tried so hard to get into it and I couldn't. For 2020, I'll be using that. I have another guide, the Powersheets companion goal guide for parents. I will be using that. And even though I don't have a partner right now, that will come very soon. So I will just look at this and think about this. Now I may not show this much, but the goal, the previous goal one, I definitely will. I also have this, which is the Fruitful Friendships Goal Guide. I don't know if this is still available on their site, but I have it. I haven't used it. It was part of the bundle in 2017 when I bought my first set of Powersheets. I also have their, what are these called? I forget what they're called, but it was about $10 or so. I think I still got it as part of the bundle. But you have perpetual calendars, you have financial check-ins, relationship tending, and there's one that's for decluttering, and I might have already used the one that's for decluttering. Yes, organization and decluttering. So I forget what these worksheets are called, but you have a bunch of them. The first time I used Powersheets, I believe I had to download them, and the second time, these were part of the bundle. So I got that. I already have it. I also already have this weekly post-it type thing. It's actually sticky, and I've seen a couple of people who reviewed the new Powersheets that have them. So I have that. I have these. I keep forgetting what these things are called, but I know it starts with a W. So I have these. I have the tending tape. I've used some of the tending tape. So basically, I'm going to use what I have already. I'm going to use what I have. Now, my 2019 Powersheets, as the year has progressed, I've been using my Erin Condren habit tracking notebook to actually track. So if I'm carrying the stuff around, I'll likely carry this. I won't carry this because it'll have a lot of financial information, but I'll likely carry this and this in my petite journal collection. So that's about it. That's my clickbait. That is my clickbait video. I hope you liked it. Thank you all for joining me. If you still want to listen to the mid-month update, right up. I have done a lot of things already this month. I got a professional organizer, and I think I should wait and insert a clip here. Okay, part one. This is a bag of trash. This is, what is in here? Either more trash or donate, things to donate. These are 2 bags of stuff to donate. Oh, no problem at all. That's the wonderful lady who helped me, guys. That's trash. That's a bag of bags. A bag of actual bags. Okay, so we're done. See you later. Okay, so you can see that I'm actually working this thing out. I am working this thing out. I had, what was it, 3 bags? Whatever it was, how many ever you saw, I can't remember it off the top of my head right now. But the goal this month, one of the goals was to make 2 bags of clothes to keep and donate. I donated 2, trashed 1, so that's 3 bags. Change tires, I haven't needed to do that yet. Wash and detail car, done that. Check and change air filter in my house, done that. Look into cleaning air ducts, I have not done that. Finished my dad's project, I've started working on that. Journaling, I've journaled twice this month already, something like that. Rest is going well. The weekly family activities are going well. The thing that is not going so well so far are my weekly inventories and meal tracking. That is fallen by the wayside. It's not been going well this month, but things need to change. I need to change things. Tracking of the daily habits, still ongoing in my habit tracking notebook, and it's good. It's good. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you very much for joining me. What will you be using for your goal planning in 2020? Do you already have it? Do you have your goals? Do you have your word of the year? It's time to start thinking about all these things so that you start the year with intention. You start the year purposefully, and you start the year hitting the ground running. Okay? January 1st is an arbitrary date, an arbitrary time, but you can do something right now to start on your goals. That's what I've been doing, and there's a bunch more introspection that I need to do that involve the now, and that involve hunkering down and incubating. You'll hear that word again in a couple of months, but that involved me hunkering down and concentrating on this next year or these next 2 years, and then I can go back to real huge big picture thinking. So that's that, everybody. Thank you all for joining me. Have a great rest of the month.